see me Tanan. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is going to show you how to make Korean cheese corn dog. This is a popular and trendy street food that has popped up on the street and Instagram these recent years. The melty, cheesy deliciousness has captured the hearts of millions of foodies, and yours may be one of those too. So are you ready to find out how this new hot Korean dog in town tastes? Then let's roll into the kitchen with us and find out. First, we start making the hot dog batter. In a big bowl, mix together 150 grams of all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 large egg, and 180 milliliters of milk. Mix everything together until they incorporate it into a nice, thick, and smooth batter. After that, you can put your batter in the fridge for about half an hour to chill. While the batter is chilling, you got work to do. It's time to prepare your cheesy hot dog skewer. Here we use 3 different types of cheese, a melty and sharp raclette, perfect for the cheese lover and the lactose intolerant alike. Fun fact, the raclette is naturally lactose-free, so it will be gentle on your sensitive stomach while perfectly indulging your taste buds. Next, we have a stretchy, creamy, low-moisture mozzarella. And finally, we have a convenient classic cheese square slices. But this is not any old processed cheese product. These are the delicious Gruyère that is going to satisfy any cheese connoisseur out there. Now, let's cut the cheese up. Since we're making 3 different corn dog styles, we're cutting the cheese in 3 different ways. With the mozzarella, we cut it into long pieces depending on the length of your skewer. Generally, we want the cheese to be half the length of the skewer. For the raclette, we're going to cut them into short, about half the length of your mozzarella. And for the cheese slice, we don't need to cut anything at all. Similarly, divide your Wiener sausages into 3 portions. The first portions, you're going to cut the sausage in half widthwise, so the length of the sausage is the same as the length of the mozzarella pieces. The second portion, you're going to cut them into pieces with the same length as your raclette pieces. And the third and last portion, you can just leave them be. Sometimes you're just gonna let the wiener be wiener, you know. Now, it's time to combine the cheese and wiener together. For the mozzarella type, put the wiener pieces from the first portion onto the skewer and top it up with a piece of mozzarella. And for the raclette type, you're going to alternate the raclette pieces with the pieces of wiener from the second portion like we do here. And for the Gruyère type, you simply put the entire uncut wiener onto the skewer and wrap it with a slice of Gruyère. Once you've prepared all the skewers, then you can take your batter out from the fridge and prepare the dip. But first, you have to prepare a plate of panko or breadcrumb. This will add an extra layer of crunchiness to your corn dog. Heat up plenty of oil in a pan. You're going to deep fry those dogs. Once the oil is hot, it's time to dip your corn dog skewer into your batter so the batter coats everything evenly. Then roll your dog in the panko and drop it into the pan. Deep fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes until the corn dog turns golden. And voila! There you have it, your very own golden, crispy, Korean-style cheesy corn dog. Top it up with some mayo, mustard, and ketchup, or even Korean gochujang if you want to be traditional. And if you want more, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more eye-catching recipes. And now, all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in!